Hello? Hey Luke, do you want to come to my birthday party today? There's gonna be lots of girls, including Cindy. Did you say Cindy? Yup. When should I come? Well, the party starts at 3, so you could come a bit earlier if you want. Okay, sounds good. I'll see you then. Oh, one more thing. It's a pool party, so bring your bathing suit and a towel. Did you say pool party? Yeah, I gotta go get ready though, so I'll see you in a bit, okay?
Listen carefully. If you love Satan, skip this video, but it might hurt your mom. If you love Jesus and mom, please click follow, like, comment I love Jesus and mommy and share. I will give you 3 seconds to make a decision.